Estimado docente y compañeros, tengan un cordial saludo. Mi nombre es Carlos Julio Arte Álvarez, estudiante de Contaduría Pública de la Universidad Militar Nueva Granada. Voy a explicarle una actividad, un foro que hay que realizar de estadística sobre la interpretación de la media, desviación estándar y coeficiente de simetría, actividad que debe ser desarrollada en inglés. Hello, dear teacher and college. This word allows us to extend the coordinates of another language. B explains stated concepts in English. The average. The average is used to describe the sample with a single value that represents the data center. In the exercise is the average of the score taken by the students in the evaluation, where the lower scores are balanced with the higher ones. The Stein's reflection. It is a matter of the experience that indicates how scarred the data are with respect to the average. In the Stein's deviations, the student score move away from the average at 15,5 on the left and 15,5 of the right. The coefficient of symmetry. The exercise should induce the score of the student with respect to the average is 0,0 with symmetric scores. Seen in the airward inclination of the axis to the right of the left, it would be positive of negative asymmetry. Thank you.